Katie, go get him. Go get him. He's watching. He's waiting for you.
Fuck you, Birdie. You stupid bitch. If you didn't get in the first fucking 100 times.
Go get him.
I have a hammer.
Ask that kid with the Nerf gun over there.
Try to whistle. I can't whistle.
Go get him. Go tell us that poop.
Get that
Own
kid.
what's yours. Own what's yours.
Get that kid with the Nerf gun.
Alright, I'll go get him. I'll go get the bird.
Tell me of a dog. Someone needing him to shoot. It just shit again. I saw it.
Oh my gosh.
It's speckled.
Stop. I'm this close.
It's not even scary.
Dude, knock it off. What is your problem? And he's just gonna wait up there. Oh, what a creep. Oh, your poor car. It's so full of poop.